It's a teardown of a symbol branded power injector for PoE power over network. And it's part number AP-PSBIAS-1P2-AFR. I don't expect there to be anything too interesting in here. It's basically just going to be a power supply. But gotta look inside. These aren't worth anything. They're worth like $10 on eBay, shipped. So anyone selling these is losing. Yeah, they might make $1. Never know. Definitely not profitable things to sell. Should just be a normal plastic clamshell. And yeah, a little fancier than I was expecting actually. It's a giant filter cap. Good brand too, Nichicon. Got a fuse here with wires coming out of it. Your normal little like glass fuse. This capacitor is surrounded in heat shrink for some reason. But yeah, it's just a switch mode power supply with some network jacks on it. And all this is doing is injecting power into whatever pins end up being the PoE pins. Metal PCB, or well, not metal. There's a little PCB here with some metal shielding that's covering the bottom. I'm not 100% sure why. I don't know if it's RF shielding maybe. Yeah, it must just be RF shielding. Maybe this was putting out too much noise. Not noise like sound noise, but electrical noise. That chip appears to be an ST brand E255T. I think that might be the switch mode power regulation chip, along with I believe that would be the MOSFET down in there, but can't see it. It's a K3567. And this chip here probably has to do with DC power regulation. Maybe if I had some light. Nope, not going to focus. Another ST brand chip. Looks like it's a 1IP117. But yeah, that's all there is to see. Hope that was interesting, and thanks for watching.